90% of retail traders lose money in options trading. And if we just try to analyze, risk losses basically happen because of 2 days. First is any gap up, gap down causes big loss to retail traders, no doubt about that. And secondly, the expiry trades. There seems to be a lot of fascination amongst retail traders for expiry trades. I have seen few people they are working professionals and just for trading expiry days, they're taking either work from home or maybe leave also from their office. Now, expiry trades, why so much of fascination? Because on expiry days, these people can make a lot of money or they can lose decent money also. So many times people say that, okay, I'm going to lose only 10-20,000 rupees, but if things go in my favor, I can make 40-50,000 rupees also. My point is, if you just analyze and see that, okay, if you have done it for 52 expiries of Nifty, whether ultimately you are making money or not, results will be mostly that you are not making money. So the expiry trade which says that, okay, buy a huge number of calls which are very cheap in price or buy a huge number of puts which are very cheap in price and then wait for the market to move sharply in your direction, that is no less than a gamble. Mostly it is termed as hero trade and kind. So can we do some expiry trades which are not going to give me a huge loss, but then good profit potential is there? Can there be a strategy for expiry trades? Welcome to another video by the Option School, and I am your friend Pradeep Singla. In this channel, we have already given a strategy for expiry trade, but today I am trying to improve upon that strategy to reduce the cost incurred in transaction charges by the trader. You can join our WhatsApp YouTube community. Link is given in the description. So instead of just trading like a gambler, can we create a strategy which can have a very small risk, but then it can possibly give me a very good profit? Yes, there is a strategy. The main advantage of doing this strategy is you're not expecting that there is going to be a big rise or big fall or any wild move in the market at the time of expiry. So let me take you to Opstra. Trade date is 23rd December, expiry 23rd December. So here also I have selected 23rd December. Morning 9:30 we'll try to find out a trade. So let us go to option chain and see where is the market and what kind of trade can be done. The market is at around 26,150. So what I'll do, I'll try to create a trade wherein I will buy 26,200 and I will buy 5 lots of this. I'll sell 26,250 and I will sell 10 lots of this. It's 1-to-1, right? It's known as 1-to-1 trade, and I will buy 5 lots of 26,250. So overall, I have created this trade. This is a 1-to-1 call butterfly. There is no put transaction, and I know in these 5 lots, my maximum loss is 2,100 rupees. If I don't do anything, my maximum loss is 2,100 rupees. And what I will like to say, I will like to, as soon as I get a profit of, let us say, 3,000 rupees, 3,500 rupees, 4,000 rupees, I would like to close the trade. Do click the like button because your like button is the most encouraging thing we get, and we value each and every precious like. So please click on the like button and let us start. The caution here is you cannot keep sitting in the full trade till end of the day. Don't wait till 3:30. If you are watching this trade, you are monitoring this trade, you have done this trade. So just wait. As soon as you get some good profit, just close the trade. Worst scenario is 2,100 rupees. Your loss cannot be more than that. Here market is at 26,149. I am taking a bet that, okay, market goes up from 26,200 to 250 and stays within 300. There is a chance that I can make money. If market expires exactly at 26,250, then there is a chance I can make a very good money of 15,000-16,000 rupees, but that is not expected. Expected is if I can make 2,000 plus 3,000 or 4,000 kind of money, I am very happy in this kind of a trade. Let us now move half an hour. After half an hour, I am making 787 rupees, which is not a bad sign at all. Next. Okay, 656, 1,218, 1,293. If I book 50% of my trades, then okay, I booked 600 rupees. My maximum loss for the day will be now only 500 rupees. Plus already I have booked 6. So in any case, I will be positive. That is one way of doing these trades. If you have decent amount of margin available, then maybe you can trade 20 lots, and as soon as you get some money, book 10 lots, 50% of the position. That will help you that, okay, worst scenario will be a very small profit and no loss at all, right? But here, since we are done with very small lots, we have done only 5 lots. Let me continue. Okay, it has reduced a bit. 768, 1481. It's already now 130. Maximum you should wait till 230, not beyond that. Let us see. Now it's 2 o'clock. I'm getting 1293. Better to book at least 50% of trades if you have not booked so far. Okay, at 230, I'm making a very good money. 4050. I can go up to 60,000, but I am very much satisfied with this kind of profit, and I should definitely book this profit. 100%. Everything should be logged, booked, and trade ended for the day. So this is a very good profit for one day, just an expiry day, and we have hardly invested a very small position sizes there. And if you see on the profit and loss side also, now this thing is worth 20 rupees, which is giving you major profit. This thing is worth 2.5 rupees only. This thing is only 0.65 paisa. So in case market shoots up from here in last 1 hour, either on the upside, yes, it can give me some profit. But if market goes on the downside, it can be quite damaging for me. So I would not like to take that risk. There can be some adjustments, but then those adjustments will not be risk free. They can add a little bit of risk, but then they can ensure that, okay, if market goes in one direction, you are not going to lose. I'm not going to discuss those adjustments at this stage, but at this stage, I'll say this makes a lot of sense. I should have booked my profit, and what would have happened? What can happen in case I'm not booking my profit? Let us try to see that also. So I'll go over 15 minutes. See this. In 15 minutes, 4,000 profit has become 1400 rupees loss because market has tanked down. And if I see here, now this which was 20 rupees, in 15 minutes it has become 2.7 rupees. That is the main risk for expiry. At around 2:30, you need to take a decision. If you're getting a good profit even at 1 o'clock, you should close the trade. But if you're not getting any profit or any chance to book the profit, then at this stage, suppose you have not booked the profit at 2:30. At this stage, what I will suggest, do not take 2100 risk. Okay, take a loss of 1400 rupees. Because if you see, if I just show you 15 minutes back, just focus on this call. This is 2.7 rupees now. 15 minutes back, it was 20 rupees. And that created the whole difference in your trade. At this stage, it is showing 656 rupees profit. And if I move ahead in 15 minutes, this is showing 6,000 rupees. So that is what can happen in these kind of trades. And whenever I'm taking this trade, I know I'm ready to bear this kind of a loss, but I'm just making a position in the market with a very limited loss. And then in case market gives me any chance to book profit, I will book profit. And that chance in this case was this only. Definitely 2:30. There was a very big chance. Even if I go 5 minutes back, I had 4837. 5 minutes back, I has 435. So it's not that, okay, it just came and went away. No, for good 15-20 minutes, we are having this chance. If I go 5 minutes back, okay, 3993. So from 215 to 230, I had a chance to book a profit of around 4,000 rupees. I should be a fast trader because I should select all the trades and close it at market price, because all the trades should be done simultaneously. Sometimes we have seen that, okay, we try to close one trade first, try to be slightly smarter with the market, and all this profit can vanish within few seconds. So be very clear, create the strategy as a whole and select all the strikes and immediately close the trade. We should not be doing staggered manner that, okay, one trade is closed, other leg is still open. That can improve the profits, but that can take away all the profit, and then your 2100 rupees maximum loss equation will also change. So the suggestion here is close everything at one go. You have got a decent 50 minutes window here to book this profit. And this is not a hero zero kind of a trade, because here, even if maximum loss happens, that will be very less. And I am not going to sit till 3:30. After 2:30, I will be very cautious. and after 230, even if I'm taking a 50% hit in the loss, like instead of 2100 rupees, I'm able to get out of the trade with 1000 rupees loss. I say, okay, today it was not my day. Today market is a winner. I am a loser. I'll just give 1000 rupees to the market with folded hand and say, okay, let me try now in the next expiry. So if you trade it like that, I think chances of success are pretty high, because in any case, the amount of loss is very limited and amount of profit is quite good. So if I say 1000 rupees loss and 4000 profit, this becomes 1:4 risk reward, which is quite decent on an expiry day. I'm really thankful to all the participants of the 2 workshops we have already done. We have done one iron condor workshop and we have done one iron butterfly workshop. We got a very good feedback from all our participants who have attended these workshops. What we have done, we have recorded these workshops. So these workshops are available for you also now. If you want to buy as a recording, this recording will be available to you forever. So if you wish to buy any of these recorded videos, recorded webinars, you can contact the numbers given on the screen. If you are a silver member, you can buy any recording, you will get 10% discount. And if you are buying both the recordings, definitely on the costlier video, you will get 25% more. So if you buy both the things, there will be definitely a much better discount. If you buy one video, there will be 10% discount for silver members. I am leaving you with a very interesting set and forget strategy for expiry day, which we had explained earlier. Hope you will like it. Please click on the like button. Please subscribe to the channel. Each and every subscriber is very precious to us. See you in the next video. Thank you.